How can we better protect dogs against Lyme disease? Scientific research in the last few years has provided new information that can be used to develop more sophisticated approaches to Lyme disease prevention. The story begins with the spirochete that causes Lyme disease, Borrelia burgdorferi, and how it changes in response to what is happening in the tick. Borrelia have different types of outer surface proteins, OSPs, that are expressed at various phases in the tick feeding cycle. When an unfed tick initially attaches to a dog, high amounts of an outer surface protein, known as OSP-A, are expressed by the Borrelia in the tick's midgut. OSP-A helps Borrelia adhere to the midgut epithelial cells. As the tick starts to feed on the dog, the Borrelia in the midgut start to multiply rapidly, and the spirochetes stop expressing OSP-A and instead express a different protein, OSP-C. The OSP-C expressing spirochetes then migrate from the midgut to the salivary glands of the feeding tick, where they are transmitted via saliva into the dog. The OSP-C antigen plays a critical role in transmission and early mammalian infection. Therefore, OSP-A borreliocidal antibodies are only effective while the Borrelia are expressing OSP-A. That is, for a short period of time while they're still in the tick midgut. This means current vaccines that stimulate a protective immune response to only OSP-A don't prevent live Borrelia that are expressing OSP-C from escaping and infecting the dog. Optimally, a Lyme disease vaccine should stimulate borreliocidal antibodies to both OSP-A and OSP-C. Nobivac Lyme, unlike previous vaccines which do not stimulate significant amounts of OSP-C borreliocidal antibodies, was specifically designed to achieve this goal. The borreliocidal antibodies against spirochetes that express OSP-C provide a pivotal second line of defense because the OSP-C borreliocidal antibodies kill Borrelia in the tick midgut, in tick saliva, in the dog's skin, and possibly even in the dog's bloodstream during the early stages of infection. The science of Lyme disease transmission has come a long way, and new information is being used to provide veterinarians with more effective approaches to prevent Lyme disease in their canine patients.